God of War is coming on PC. Is it a rumor or is it 100% confirmed news that on August you may get to play God of War on your PC? This is your boy Sumit Charismatic, and let me explain whether this news holds any truthness or not. But first, let me thank Ritik Sharma for sharing this news to me in the morning. So what exactly happened? Now, according to the Xbox insider Randall Thor, who spoke in the latest podcast, and he mentioned that Sony's blockbuster God of War is another PlayStation 4 exclusive game that will be coming to PC this August. Now, you guys already know that Horizon Zero Dawn is going to be available for PC next month. Like this migration from console to PC, lot many games are showing that migration, and God of War is some game which all the PC gamers want because that's the best game. Like the Last of Us, God of War is such a game which all the PC lovers want and badly wanted. Back when Sony announced these ports, rumors started to surface suggesting that the Japanese tech giant will announce more PlayStation 4 exclusive for PC in the near future. Games like Bloodborne and God of War were among the mentioned titles that would be seen migrating from exclusive PlayStation stuff to PC. Now this summer has been very good for PC lovers, as Death Stranding, as you guys know, was already a PlayStation exclusive game and that also migrated to PC. But for Death Stranding, the story is different because that game was announced for PC way long back and there was no surprise that Death Stranding would be coming for PC. But for exclusive games like God of War, The Last of Us, and other big console games like Uncharted, for them to migrate on PC, that would be a blockbuster news. And because God of War is such a game that has eluded PC gamers for a long time, and I know a lot of PC gamers out there have played God of War using a simulator and other stuff, but playing an actual God of War game in full screen, full HD, full graphics is something else, and playing in an emulator, simulator, whatever that is a different feeling, and that kind of feeling is not matched up by the actual game. So what do you think? This migration is possible? Horizon Zero Dawn is another exclusive game that was migrated to PC. Will God of War make that migration? Now we are seeing so many rumors. Why August has been said to be the date? That is another mystery. Why August? If the news would have been that God of War would be coming for PC this year, that would have been a very stable and what you call solid news. But just 1 month ahead, I don't think so. Sony, if they are bringing some PlayStation game exclusive games to PC, they will just hold 2-3 weeks of excitement for all the PC lovers to reveal that such games are coming to PC. I think if God of War is coming to PC, it would take some time. Maybe by the end of this year, if this story, if this podcast episode is true, and what are these Xbox insider Randall Thor is talking about is actually truth, then I think God of War will definitely come for PC, maybe by this year. But August, if it comes, I will be surprised. So what are your comments on this? Do you feel that God of War and PlayStation game should come to PC? Are you waiting for God of War? Which is your favorite PlayStation game that you want to play? Is it The Last of Us? Is it Uncharted? Is it God of War? Which is your favorite game which you want to see migrate to PC? And also one more factor, will your system handle such kind of games? God of War, Uncharted, The Last of Us. Will your system and configuration be able to handle such games in high FPS? What do you think about that? Comment below and let's talk whether these all exclusive games should come to PC or not. Horizon Zero Dawn is coming and I am very excited about it. Now, the one important thing about PlayStation game is that they do not have any demo. That is another added advantage. So, because we have seen in Horizon Zero Dawn that doesn't have any Denovo. And yes, Detroit Become Human and Beyond Two Soul had Denovo, but when they were released to Steam, they didn't have Denovo. So hopefully they are not rigid on that part for having games with Denovo. So let's see what happens. This was one of the news which I wanted to share. I'm very excited. If this game comes for PC, I will be the excited one. What is your comment and what are your feeling about this game? Comment below. Let's talk about it. And hopefully you like this video. My job is to share gaming news to you always very first, because this is a gaming channel. And hopefully you like this video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and see you in the video. Bye bye, take care, and don't forget to hit that like, share, subscribe button. Keep supporting this channel. With your support we will see and turn every stone into milestone. See you in the video. Bye bye, take care, and keep gaming.